Hi everyone, in this video I'll review the Gridwise app. Should you use it or is it not worth it? Let's find out. Gridwise is an app designed for gig workers and drivers, helping you track earnings, miles and expenses across multiple platforms. It supports services like Uber, Lyft and DoorDash, automatically logging your hours and mileage for you. One of the best features is the tax summary that helps you keep track of potential deductions, making tax season easier. However, some users mention that the premium version can get pricey and it may not integrate with every gig service. Is it worth it? If you drive for multiple platforms and want to streamline your earnings trackings, Gridwise could be a game changer. But if you're only using one service, you might not get as much value. And that's our Gridwise app review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.